Stacy Liddy, the Liddy Real Estate Group, brokered by JP and Associates. I am back with the kitchen. The last time we were here, we were at Cal Atlantic, and you guys absolutely loved their kitchen. Well, that home was a one-story, 4,000 square feet at 1.7 million. But I'm here in Canyon Falls at the Grantley model Drees homes, and this home is anywhere into the 800,000 price range, so great price range. And take a look at this amazing island. Double ovens. Plenty of cabinet spaces. And you want to showcase your dishes, your utensils. I mean, it is fantastic. Not to mention the stove. This stove, a lot of great cooking, a lot of family memories around this island. I also love this concept. Microwave in the pantry. So everything has its place. Everything is neatly tucked away, so when you have family, when you have company over, everyone has their place and their space. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. We're in another area of the Grantley. This is the open floor plan. This is the formal dining area. This is the living room area. It's a vaulted ceiling. Sliding glass doors. Take a look. I mean, it's tucked in total. 4,387 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. So we're on the second story, and up here we have the game area, and we also have this awesome area for your movie room. It has the barn doors. I love barn doors. It's original and it's unique to me, so it stands out. The barn doors up here, and then we also have 2 more rooms up here. So we have 2 upstairs and 2 downstairs. Take a look.